for me, lahat ng teams, nag-improve in terms of yung lineup. And we know naman yung the coaches dito sa UAP, they all have very good programs. So we need to really prepare for everybody.
Oh. Sir, isang na lang tayo, last season, halos isang laro na lang. I think dalawa sa champion na tayo. Anong ina-expect ng tao ngayon sa UAP?
Well, kami, kumbaga, we'll just work hard for every game. Starting the season, syempre, putting ourselves in some position na, makabalik kami sa finals. And we're gonna take it one game at a time, and improve in every game while we get there.
Coach, kamusta yung gelling ng team, yung chemistry?
Okay naman, we had some, kumbaga marami kami naging trip na magkasama kami, playing together. Especially may bago kaming dumating na si QMB. But we needed more games na para gumanda yung chemistry ng team namin.
Coach, any comment na dun sa nasabi about sa eligibility?
I guess sa akin, I'm sure it's well thought of, di ba, yung board of management, and sigurado ko na pag-isipan na mabuti bago nila gawin yung decision niya. So, kami will just abide ko ano man ang rules ng UAP.
Coach, what can you expect dito sa season 87 from you?
It's gonna be competitive. As I said a while ago, lahat ng team para sa akin malakas. Lahat ng coaches na magaganda programa. So, kailangan every game pag-prepare na maayos.
Sino ang contender para sa mga contenders?
Sa akin, siyempre, yung defending champion, Lasal. And then again, hindi ko rin natagalin yung NU. Sa akin, even UE, hindi ko isipin na malakas talaga lahat ng team.
Coach, may gigil ba from your end facing Lasal?
Well, every game dapat may gigil. Hindi kami pwede mawalan ng gigil kasi dapat yung hunger namin on getting back, and trying to achieve the ultimate goal namin. We need that hunger. Hindi pwede mawala sa amin.